My teaching career will fail. Nikianza nyimbo si nita make it. Mnaona aje vile naimba. Career yangu ya walimu ikifail, niingie kwa usanii, si bado nitatengeneza pesa? Okay. Do church exist to you as a routine? Kila siku unapoamka unaoga, unakuja tu kanisa, is it as a routine? The departments umewekwa as a departmental leader, as the secretary of a department. In fact, our church has very good titles. Children ministry, men, Adventist men, women ministry, Doricas, tuko na home church leaders, Sabbath school leaders. We have good titles. But do they exist to you as a tradition? You being a Christian, uwe kwa Mkristu, uko tu jina. Every time we come to church, we come to meet with God. He is not here physically, but His presence is with us by faith. God is not here physically, lakini His presence is with us. God was not in the ark, but His presence was with the Israelites. We are here to have a new experience every Sabbath with Christ. It's not a routine. Mulihubiriwa nini leo? Yale ya kawaida. Hapana, si ya kawaida. You are making the church to be a routine to you, and it should not be a routine. You are making camp meetings to be routine to you. They should not be routines. They should be new experiences. When we come to church, we come to experience our God. Tukikuja huko kanisani, we are coming here to experience